Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a battery in your asset tracker. All you'll need is your device, new battery, and a screwdriver. If there's a silicone case on it, we got to take that off. Now we're going to undo the 6 screws. Now that it's unscrewed, there is a little lip near the top. So you kind of just have to split it open. Okay, we're gonna take the battery out. And then it's hooked up right over there on the left, so you can just yank it. Now we have our new battery. So there's 3 holes on this that are closer to one side. So you want the 3 little holes to be facing the outside of the device. Plug it in. Sit the battery there, and then we'll take our case and squish it down so that all the little things come through. And put a little tree cracker. Then you just put your silicone case back on. Make sure to line up the test button though with the test button on the cover. Easy peasy battery exchange.